Samir and today I am going to show you how to make reverse pouring art. I have already made acrylic pouring art in my first video. Make sure to check it out, the link is here. If you like the video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start the painting now. For this we will need a canvas, some colors of cambrian, satin, moda. These are available in Amazon. I have provided a link down below in the description, so make sure to check it out if you want to buy it. I'm using craft glue, silicone oil, some glasses and pouring medium. I have already explained in my first video how to mix the colors, so go check it out. For the base color I have taken titanium white. For mixing I have taken orange, royal blue, titanium blue, leaf green, grey, magenta, green, yellow and peach. I have added silicone oil in all the colors except white because it is the base color of the painting. I am pouring white on the base. Now I'll add more colors. So it looks like this now. Now take the canvas, press over it and take it up. You could use another canvas to make more. This is how it looks like. I have taken my father's help for the blue tone. Look at my full canvas now. Comment down below which one is your favorite. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on next Friday. Bye guys. Tata bye bye. Okay, tata bye bye.
Babe, what are you doing?
कपड़ा धोना।
ये टी-शर्ट धो रहा है क्योंकि वीर ने वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले इसके ऊपर पेंट गिरा दिया था।